So imagine the lifestyle that you will get. Below that, they will have high-end retail. So this is very durable. This one is good for a couple. It is located around business hubs.
Considering na nasa city, malamig siya. Hey everyone, Lester here again and welcome to another house tour, and in this case, it's a condo tour. I'm with my friend here, Gerard, who's an expert on this, and our goal today is to discover if this one will be the right fit for us and for you maybe, diba? Whether in overseas, whether in the Philippines, the more you know about all these properties, the more informed you'll be in your decision making with your next house maybe or your next investment. And Gerard, thank you for this opportunity. It's a pleasure.
Welcome everybody to Ayala Tower Vireo. So this is a 3-tower development by Avida Land, and this is located in Arca South. This is a low-dense development considering it's mid-rise and it only has 34 units per floor. So this has only 14 residential floors, but physically it's 16. We also have amenities here later which you will see, and we'll touch more on that once we show you those areas.
Tara, exciting.
So let's come in.
Personally, Gerard, I already have one condo. Most of my investments are in townhouses and house and lots in the provinces. Obviously, this one is in the city. Can you tell us why would someone like me who's more living in the suburban invest in like properties like this?
Actually, Arca South is very strategically located to be connected to the south area and in the CBDs like what we have in Makati and BGC. In this location, for example, here in Vireo, what we will have in the future, we will have an Ayala Mall. The first cancer care hospital will be here, just across there actually. And we will also have offices, BPO offices. So these offices and malls and also the residentials will make a sustainable community in the future. So just like what Ayala did with Novali, with Makati, with BGC, so we're looking to redo that in this area.
Watch out for that. Where I'm from the south, Santa Rosa is that like rising commercial and residential place for this kind of market. Can you tell us more about development around the area in terms of like have your own business here?
We also have a lot of offices from Alveo Land. We will have offices from Pamberton, Savias. It is located around business hubs. In the entrance of Arca South, you will have like an airport of the buses. So imagine the foot traffic that will come in from the south, from the city center, where a lot of people go, business will thrive as well. So this is a sample 1-bedroom unit. So this is what you will get. For example, it's a good turnover. These are the finishes. Let's go in. So let's go. This is a 37 square meter unit. So with the flooring, we have wood laminate already. Here on the countertops, we have HPL or high pressure laminate. So this is very durable and also hygienic.
Hindi siya basta tiles lang na.
Oh. So we have ceramic tiles as well. This one we have provisions for your fridge and also yung sa ventilation. Actually, the balcony you will have later on will show you what your view will be, and in the future what your view will be.
Diyan ako excited eh.
Yeah, for sure. And eto naman, we go to our bedroom less. Same as well, wood laminate. So lahat na siya, everything is standard finish.
But this is not tiles, no? Ano din siya?
Wood laminate. So actually, yung kagandahan niya kasi, it's very durable. Tapos, parang scratch resistant siya. This one is good for a couple.
Maybe one kid.
Yeah.
Kahit nasa bed ka, tanaw mo whatever's going on outside.
Still have a view. In front of you, that's an Ayala Land Premier development as well. We call it the Garden Court Residences. Below that, they will have high-end retail. And then all across there, that's our Ayala Mall, which is only 100 meters away from you. And they're developing there in the middle. Those are parks. So here in Arca South, when you're going to a mall, to your office, you're going through a park. So imagine the lifestyle that you will get. And just outside your development here, you will have a fitness park. Fitness enthusiasts, this will be a great area for you as well.
Parang di na ako lalabas kung nandito ka na.
Oh. So everything is within your reach. Actually, that one is a Landers supermarket. So all of your needs you can get there.
I noticed yan, may mga bridge na talaga yung mga every establishment. So if I'm here, I park somewhere and I can just get to all the different dito, no?
Location, yeah. Very connected everywhere. And all of those in that part are sold out commercial lots already. So in the future, there will be also establishments built.
If you missed out on BGC, Greenbelt, this will be the next big one that you can, you can target.
Ayala has more than 30 estates in the Philippines, so this is one of them. Actually, all of these are very strategically planned. So yung location ng unit mo, very close to everything that you need. We have here a kiddie pool, adult pool, which is under construction. And also meron tayong this open gardens, lahat yan. This one is the function room. Yeah, you can go inside. So we just turned over, but for sure there will be a lot of added tables and chairs as well.
Yan, malinis, comfy, spacious. Small family gatherings, definitely perfecto. Ano ba yung clubhouse? So technically, pwede ka rin mag-event dito, no?
This is your access to the fitness park. So you can go out there and then meron ka ng fitness park, the one we showed earlier. And then that's Ayala Mall already. So imagine yung distance mo sa mall. Very close.
Ito tayo ngayon. Malaki yung facility, no? These are the buildings na.
Ito yung pool. And then ito yung entrance kanina. And then this one is Tower 2.
Considering na nasa city, malamig siya. Fresh yung hangin. Hangin, no? And I'm sure you're not seeing the video, but you can sense it. For our fitness enthusiasts, this is the place for you. What we're after here is seeing what's ahead. Or seeing how much the comfort, the convenience, and the possibility of you doing business and even working here.
Actually, with our estate planning and management, so for example, BGC was done around 2006, and right now it started to boom around 2015 and onwards, right? So like mga 10 to 15 year time as well. The Mega Manila subway isn't finished yet, which we will have a station here, and then also the airport of the buses, and also of course, those are external factors na mag-increase yung investment nyo. The internal ones, yung offices, will be completed. The Ayala Mall will be completed. And also the hospital. So imagine pag tapos na lahat yan, imagine yung price ng investment mo, di ba? Yeah, I think the good thing is that meron kang market if you want to rent it out, di ba? Kasi meron ka ng offices.
Papahuli pa ba kayo? And you know the nature of real estate, di ba? As time goes by, time value of money, it just appreciate, and especially with Ayala. Now is the best time to really explore investing in it. We know the value of real estate. We know the value of building estates. If you want to know more or explore this opportunity, links in the description box below. Gerard can accommodate whatever you need to know. You can get your hands on these really amazing deals.
Thank you, Lester. Yeah, I do hope you guys hop on this journey on the Philippines, because in the next 3 to 5 years, this will be the biggest completion of infrastructures in the Philippines, which is very exciting for our country.
Our goal is to get a piece of all these estates development by not just Ayala, but here in the Philippines. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope this has been a valuable information for you. We're aiming to help real estate enthusiasts like you and me to get the best value possible for all these properties. So really exciting times. Thanks for watching, and see you sa aming next video. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you.